All right, so this company is always hiring for the Latin America. I'm glad that I found this company as well. Let me tell you why. Because they are currently hiring for numerous amount of jobs right now. As you can see, let me go on their profile real quick. All right, so right now they have about 12 employees on LinkedIn. I want you guys to be a part of their employee list. All right, now that is why I do this for you guys, because I want you guys to be earning money. And this company doesn't pay less than 1,000 per month. All right, so I'm always out there hunting for high remote paying jobs, and of course in the Caribbean. So let me jump right into it to show you guys. All right, so they have these jobs available now. They have remote recruitment assistant. You can be a sales specialist, you can be a customer service specialist, virtual assistant, and it goes on and on. If you want me to check on the website, I can do so too, guys. So this is their website. All right, and of course they are outsourcing for their clients to get employees. And of course, if they're outsourcing, they're looking for us to get hired. So I'm really appreciative of this company. I'm glad who came up with this idea. So we don't get left out. We are able to get paid online, working from home. And of course, getting $1,000 per month is an adequate amount for living in Jamaica. All right. So I'm gonna just click on one to show you that yes, they are hiring in our area. So we're gonna click apply. Now you can see on your end that they're hiring for recruitment assistants, and of course Mexico, Colombia, Jamaica, of course, yeah, Guyana, and of course Dominican Republic. All right, so we are gonna go right into it. So as you can see, it is 100% remote. You're working from home. You'll be doing your online interview as well. Now you have to be able to manage job postings on LinkedIn, Indeed, and all the other resources of getting hired online. Now you must be a right-hand person to the recruiting managers, assisting in various recruitment related tasks. Alright, so let's go into one more of the details. You can read it on your own when you go on the application. Alright, the application is in the video description. Remember to go ahead and subscribe as well to my channel, as you will always get these updates of the great job opportunities, so you can land a high paying remote job. You won't regret it. I'll post daily. Alright, so all you have to do is take charge of their candidate talent pool. All right, so this is something that is simple. You don't need any requirements. No ask for any of those. They just ask that you need an internet connection, strong understanding in English, 2 years remote administrative experience would be a plus, and you must be located in Latin America. Now if they put Jamaica there, that is the Latin America. All right, guys. And of course, the most important part, I remember when I told a girl that the most important part is that you need to have the requirements. She said the right thing is the pay. Come on, the pay is the most important part. Now let me put the most important part now. $1,000 per month. This company is paying $1,000 per month to be a recruiting assistant. Guys, you'll be working from Monday through to Friday. No weekends, so you get that weekend off. Of course, the perks of having to work with a company that you're only doing recruitment for. All right, so you'll be working from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And of course, don't forget the time zone is CDT. You can go ahead to Google the time zone as well, so you are early for your shift. If you believe you are the perfect candidate for this opportunity, don't fidget right now. Go ahead and apply for this position. All right, they're looking forward to hiring you and being a part of their team. All Alright, all you need to do, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, resume, and if you need me to revamp your resume, I can do so for 25. Alright, let's go ahead and check into the other requirements. They're gonna ask if you're located in the Latin America, and of course, do you consent to do a background check? Alright, so you're gonna do a small introduction about yourself using the record video clip using loom.com, and you have to let them know your previous experience, if you have experience doing in recruitment or an administrative assistant. All right, so for all the virtual assistants, I want to go ahead and you're ready. I just want you comments in the comment section ready, and I am going to apply. What country are you located in? You say Jamaica. Where did you hear about this job opportunity? It's me, but guess what? Just put LinkedIn, all right? I wish I could refer you guys, but I'm not with the company, so I ain't gonna get anything. I'm just giving this opportunity to you, my followers, my valid subscribers, so you can land a remote high-paying job, all right? And of course, thank you for applying, and when you apply, the recruiter will reach out to you regarding the next steps of the application. If you get through, don't make your resume be the reason why you don't get through as well, guys. If you know your resume needs to clean up, send me a message. I'll go ahead to assist you, all right? All right, then you can just submit your application, and that's it.